Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick eyelash tutorial, how to apply them, all of the ins and outs that you guys need to know. This video will be super quick just because there's not really a whole lot to talk about involving applying false eyelashes. So make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and let me know what other type of videos you would like to see in the comment box. So stay tuned for the video. Bye guys, and bye.
Bye.
So the lashes I'm going to be using are from my eyelash collection. They're called the EYELASHES. And I like to take the lash and measure it up against my eye just to make sure that it fits my eye. If it doesn't, then I'll clip some off the end. The glue that I love to use is the Duo glue. This glue works really good for me. It keeps the lashes in place. They don't lift, they don't come up. Some people prefer to use hair glue. It's just all about preference. So before we apply our false eyelashes, we want to use some mascara on our real eyelashes. Some people love to do it afterwards. I just prefer to do it before. So before we actually place the eyelashes on, we're going to get some tweezers, and while that glue is getting tacky, we're just going to go ahead and bend the lash. I find that they're easier to apply once you, bend them and kind of loosen them up. It's just easier to apply. I always do this, especially when the lashes are super new. So then once the glue is tacky, you want to take the tweezers, place it in the middle of the lash, pull your eye to the side with the opposite hand, and then go ahead and just place that lash right there in the middle. And once the middle is secure, you want to go ahead and secure the sides. So just pull them into place and make sure that that lash is tight. And you'll be able to feel, you'll be able to feel that it's tight or secure. And voila. There you have it. And then I like to go back with the back of the tweezers and just press down just to be sure that that lash is secure, because we don't want no lashes popping up and flying everywhere. It's not cute. So then I'm going to go ahead and do the same to the other side. I find that pulling the eye to the side is just super easy. It's always worked for me. I don't know how people look straight ahead and just place the lash on there. That has never been easy for me. I still can't do that to this day. So now that we have our lashes on and they popping, we're going to work on our bottom lashes. I use this mascara by L'Oreal. It's the Voluminous Superstar X Fiber Mascara. It has two sides. So you'll do side one and you'll want to get them really, really good. And then you'll do side two. And you'll want to get it really, really good. And your lashes will go from nothing to something, literally. Look at them bottom lashes. They have so much volume, they pop in. Before, you couldn't even tell that I had bottom lashes. Makes a huge difference. A really, really big difference. So there you go, guys. This tutorial was very quick, very simple. Should be fairly easy for you all. I want you guys to let me know in the comment box how this tutorial helped you or if it helped you. And make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.